In this video, we'll be going over the marketing page and the customer survey. So first, what is a customer survey? Well, it'll basically email a customer after a delivery or pickup, and it'll ask some questions, and we can determine what those questions are. So here in our settings, I've set this to 3 days. So 3 days after the delivery, it'll send this email. And we could also have it where it emails you the response. If you have this turned off, you could view your responses here on the dashboard. So for the questions, we could either click Add New, and there's different types of survey questions. So we could ask about the general order or about specific items. And then we could have text-based replies, a rating reply like a scale of 1 to 10, or a selection where we give the customer choices. So to show you some that I've already set up, here I have on a scale of 1 to 10, how did you enjoy your delivery? And we have this set up as a rating with a max rating of 10. Then we have a selection type here, would you order from us again? And when I click edit, you can see I gave them decisions where they can say yes, no, or maybe. And then the last one is just a straight text response where I ask them, what do you think we could be doing better? Now you could also make these conditional. What that means, when I enable this, I could base it off of another response. So for example, if they answered that they would never order from us again, we could follow up with the question, what do you think we could be doing better? If they were to reply yes, we might want to ask something else. So this gives you some more functionality to be able to get to the root of any problems that you're having and feeling out exactly what your customers are thinking.